A boat ride to Benagil Cave may be the Algarve's most iconic experience, but there's another trip along the coast that deserves just as much attention: the Lagos Grotto Tours.
This trip leads you through the breathtaking sea caves and sculpted coastline of Ponta da Piedade, one of the Algarve's most iconic natural wonders, where millions of years of wind and waves have carved golden cliffs into arches, grottos, and hidden coves.
The first half of the journey glides past several public beaches, which you describe as a calm, easy introduction, before the real excitement of the second half.
Most tours depart from Lagos Marina on small, agile boats that slip through narrow passages and reach spots inaccessible from land, revealing hidden corners of the coast that feel almost otherworldly. Every turn brings a new surprise, and a deeper appreciation for nature's artistry.
With a little imagination, many of the rock formations start to look like familiar shapes or animals, a detail the guides love to point out to spark a bit of wonder and laughter. Right now, you're looking at the famous elephant, a towering sea stack with a natural trunk that dips toward the water like it's stopping for a drink.
Here the sea turns rough, waves crashing against the rocks as the boat edges closer. These small vessels slip through tight caves and tunnels, guided by a skilled skipper while a guide explains each grotto. Sitting at the stern, I was amazed by how effortlessly he held the boat steady against the waves.
Settle in and enjoy the rest of the ride, and at the end, I'll walk you through how to plan a trip like this yourself.
We visited Lagos on January 6, 2023, a winter trip brightened by wildflowers along the Ponta da Piedade trail. The sea was rough at times, and boat tours paused with the weather, but they resumed quickly whenever conditions improved. Over 4 days, we explored countless viewpoints by land and sea, adjusting plans as the weather shifted. In the end, the trip felt wonderfully satisfying.